Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in this video, we're going to learn how to be able to add a clickable call, link in WordPress. So we want to add this is just a WordPress website that I created. Now what I want to do is I want to add like a button over here or somewhere in a this particular page over here, sample page over here, just to show you how you'll be able to add um a click to call button over here. So there will be a button over here whereby I will just click on it, and then you'll be able to call. Users will be to be able to click on it, then you'll be able to call anybody that they want to call, or the company of this particular website. So this is a cleaning company website that I showed you how you can be able to create, and then also add a booking software in it for yourself. Now if you want to learn how to create this video, you can I'll put a link in the description for you to be able to check it out. But this particular video is how we'll be able to add a clickable click to call link in WordPress. So we're going to first of all add the link, and then also we'll be able to add call button over here, and then we also use Elementor to be able to show you how you can do it perfectly in your Elementor page builder. So without wasting my time, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so this is the page that we are talking about. So we want to add a link over here. Okay, so what we have to do is just I just first of all I want to add just call me or call us over here. So I'll just use a paragraph over here, and then I'll just say call us. Okay, I'm just going to say call us, and then what I'm going to do is I just want to make the text bold. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this one and make the whole text bold over here. And then what I'll do is with the text highlight over here, I can add a link to the whole text over here. So I'll just click over here, and then just add the link over here. So what I'm going to do is I can either search or type, but I'm going to type. So it is a call link. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just type in tel. Okay, tel, and then I'll just put a colon over there and then type my number over there. So I'm going to type +2332431311043. okay, that's my WhatsApp number, and then I will just hit enter. So it is linked over there. So as you can see, if I hover on it, it is linked. Now if I update it over here, and then I go back to the page, and then I will refresh the page over here, or let me go to a new incognito tab so that you see it well. So this is the page that we are talking about. Let me just refresh it, and then you're going to see a call as button over here. Now when I click on it, it's going to tell me that open pick an app. Okay, so it means that it's going to be able to show me an app that I'll be able to use to call. But if I'm using my phone, it's going to just go to my call screen straight away for me to be able to call. Okay, so that is one way you can be able to. Let me just cancel it. That's one way you can be able to. Now you can also add a button. Okay, so to add a button, it is also very simple. Now what we're going to do is let's say we want to add a button. Okay, so to add a button, we can let me just go to the next and then paragraph or blog, and then search for. I'm going to click on this plus icon, search for button. Okay, so I'm going to search for button over here, and then you see buttons over here. Just click on it, and then I'll have a button over here. Now I'm just going to write call us over here. Okay, so that is call us. Now I can decide to just make the button the width anyhow I want it. So if I want it maybe 75%, it's going to be like this. Okay, if I want it 50%, it's going to be like this. And then I can go ahead and then style the background, make it any kind of like a theme that I want. So if I want a gradient, I can go ahead and then choose like a gradient color like this one, or maybe this one over here to match the colors of my website. So that is with this one. Now if I'm done, I can go ahead and then click over here, select all, and then the same way we added the link, we're going to just add it. So just write tell and then a colon and then type in your your number over there. So just type in the number that you use and then just hit enter. Okay, and that is it. You have your call button done. Now you can go ahead and then update it, and then we can go ahead and then check it in a new incognito tab and then see if it is clickable. So as you can see, that is the call as button. Now if we click over here, it's still going to do the same thing. If you're having your phone, it'll be very easy for you to call the company that you want to call. So that is using the Gutenberg block or the normal WordPress page builder over here. Now if you want to use Elementor, of course we can be able to use Elementor. So let's say we want to use Elementor, okay, to do it. So let me just go to the contact page over here, and then as you can see, this is the contact page of the website. Now let's say we want to add a clickable link on this button over here. Okay, we can still do it, or we can just remove this particular text over here, call text over here, and then just add a button over here. Okay, we can do it. Now what we can do is just click on edit with Elementor, and then we go ahead to do it. All right, so this is the Elementor page builder. We can scroll down to where we want to add. This one is I think an icon list. Okay, this one is an icon link. So as you can see, this the link over here. Now if you want open this way, we can add what a link over here. Okay, now to add a link to this particular call over here, what we will do is we just write the same tell and then colon. Okay, just write colon and then type in your number over there. So I can go ahead and then type in my number over there. Okay, and that is what that is. Now after that, I'll just be able to just update this one. So if I go back to the contact, I can be able to click on that particular link. So let's say, you see, this has become a clickable link. So I can click on it and open this one for me to be able to just go ahead and then use my phone to call. Okay, and that is it. So that is what a clickable call to link. Now if I want to make it like, let's say what if, okay, so let's take a different scenario. What if you are not using an icon list? Okay, what if you are not using an icon list? Now we can still do same with it. So let's say we are not using an icon list over here. Let me just update it, and then we want to just use a different thing over here. Now of course we can do it, we can still do it. So we can go ahead, go to this one, and then let's say we want to just use a heading. Okay, so a heading widget. So we can drag the heading widget over here and then just type call us over here. So let's say call us. Okay, now you see this link over here, we can paste our link over here. Okay, and then we that is the tell colon, and then your number will follow, and then we just update it. Okay, so let's go to the contact page, update it, or refresh it, and then let's see if the changes that we made. Now as you can see, this is a clickable link. So if I click on it, it's still going to it's still going to show me how to be able to call the person. Okay, now if I'm using my phone, I'll be able to call the person very easily. Another one is to just add a button. Okay, so to add a button, it is also very simple. I'm going to click on this grip icon over here and then search for button. Okay, you can search for button over here, and then you can use any button that you want to use. So I'm going to use the default button over here, and then just place it over here, and then I'm just going to say maybe call us. Okay, and then with the link over here, I'll just enter my link, that is tell colon the number follows. Okay, now I'll leave this particular link in the description so that you know how to just copy and then replace this one with your telephone number, and then that is all. And then you can just change the colors to any color that you want. I'm not going to style it, I'm just going to update it over here, and then you are good to go. Okay, so if you come to the contact page over here, refresh it, we're going to see our button over there which says what, call us. And when we click on it, it's going to open a pop-up where we can be able to go ahead and then pick an app to be able to make our call. If you're having a phone, you can be able to go straight to your call session over there, and then it will call the person for you. So basically, that is how you can be able to add a click to call button or text in WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you to be able to achieve what you want to achieve. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you are new to this channel, please, when you subscribe, make sure that you turn on the notification button so that whenever we upload a new video, you can be able to get a notification and then watch it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.